Hi,
Hi, Minshul. Good evening to you.
good evening.
How are you?
I am happy.
You're happy. Oh, that's good to know. Why are you happy today?
Uh, I had it enough rest time,
Oh, and
and oh no,
that's all?
rest
You had
time.
enough rest time?
Yes.
Ah, that's good to know. What did you do today?
I I slept.
Oh,
I
you
slept.
you didn't do anything special today?
Yes. I
Ah,
know. Went to the academy.
you went to the academy. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
What did you do after academy?
Mm, ah. Uh. I I ate fruit.
You ate fruits?
Yes.
With whom? Friends or just you?
I just me.
Just you. Okay, that's good to know. What fruits did you eat?
Peach.
Oh, peach. Oh, you know what? Here in the Philippines, we don't have much peach. So I don't really know what peach tastes like.
Sorry, I can understand.
In the Philippines, we don't have peach.
No.
So I don't know what peach tastes like.
Ah. Oh
Yeah,
my
so
God. Peach is so delicious. My
real.
favorite fruit is peachy.
Really, can you tell me how does it taste like? Is it sweet, sour?
Sweet.
It's very sweet.
Oh yes.
How big is it?
Like apple cider.
Like an apple style, a size?
Yeah. Yes.
When you eat it, does it like like an apple or no?
Oh no.
It's different.
Yes.
It's hard or soft?
Soft.
Mm, okay, so it's soft.
Yeah.
Because apple is hard, right?
Yes.
So,
But peachy is too tight.
uh-huh,
Like apple, uh, hard
uh-huh.
and soft.
Okay. Which one do you like? Hard or the soft peach?
Soft peach.
Okay. So you can just that bite it like that?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. I'm very curious because when you buy peach here in the Philippines, it's very expensive. Yeah,
How much
I
is
don't
it?
know, but I don't see it a lot in the mall.
Mm,
Yeah, but if there is, maybe kind of expensive.
oh,
Yeah, so we don't have peach here. Because Philippines, we don't have winter.
winter.
Oh yeah, because I think peach only it only get when it's the country is a little bit colder.
No.
Yeah, I think just like strawberry.
Oh yes.
Yeah, but there are strawberries here, but it's very far.
Four.
Yeah, it's very far. So when you buy strawberry here, it's kind of expensive too.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so we don't have much fruits here. Yeah, but the I think the delicious fruit here is mango.
Oh, oh, mango.
Yeah, mango here is very sweet.
Oh,
Yeah, there are a
yeah.
lot of mangoes here in the Philippines. Do you like mangoes?
Yes, I like.
Yeah, I like mango when it's green, when it's very hard, like a little bit sour.
Green mango is a sour.
Yeah, when it's
Oh
not,
my God.
Yeah, it's sour. Like I like it. Filipinos like it very much. Like you
Mm.
put it like in a salt and vinegar. It's very good.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah, like when it's not yellow yet, the- because mangoes they turn into yellow, right?
yes.
Yeah, before the yellow it will be green. So I like when it's green
Oh,
because it's
so
sour.
surprising.
Huh? Surprising?
Yes.
Yeah, but my favorite fruit I would say durian. Do you eat durian?
Korean, no.
Like the spiky, you don't know durian or you know durian?
I, I know durian, but
Oh yeah.
I don't try durian.
Ah, but do you want to try it?
Yes.
Yes, it's very the smell is very people don't like the smell of durian.
Yes.
Yeah, have you smelled durian before?
No.
Well, durian has a very strong smell. Yeah, very
Yes.
strong smell. People don't like it, but some people like it too.
Mm.
Yeah, durian is very interesting fruit.
Durian is what tasty? What is tasty?
Uh, some durian can be sweeter like milk.
Ah,
Yeah, there
yes.
are different kind of durian.
Mm,
Yeah, I like durian when it's a bitter and sweet.
yes.
Yeah, there are durian that are very sweet. It tastes like milk like that. There
Mm,
are there are also durian that is bitter. Do you know bitter and
uh,
sweet?
mm.
Yeah, I like bitter and sweet kind of durian.
Oh, Peter? Peter is no.
You don't like bitter?
Yes.
Ah, like a little bit bitter, but it's a very bitter, like a little bit. Just a
Mm,
little bit bitter and then sweet.
oh.
Yeah, I like that kind of durian. Okay, yeah, there are different kinds of durian. If you will try durian, try like the sweet one.
Oh, yes. I want to try sweet durian.
Okay, yeah, you should try that. And but the smell is very, very strong. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, how's the weather there now, Minshu?
Oh, weather is very good.
Oh, really?
Yes. But a little sun is strong,
Uh-huh.
but but night weather is very good.
Ah, because at night it's a little bit colder.
Yes.
Ah, oh, why you didn't show up last Tuesday? Did you go?
Ah, sorry. Sorry.
Why? Where did you go?
I I I went to the grandmother house.
Uh-huh. Pohang?
No, young one.
Uh-huh. Ah, okay. And then?
Yes, good. Oh, I ate dinner, and after I went to the cafe.
Ah.
Yes, I don't watch the class.
So you forgot the class.
Yes,
Ah,
sorry.
it's okay. Like, where's Minsu? Because you don't usually absent.
Yes,
So yeah, like, oh, where's Minshu? So because you told me last week that you're going to your grandma's place, right?
yes.
So you
I
stayed there for how many days?
um 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 no, 3 hours, four
Ah,
hours.
uh-huh.
Yes.
I mean,
Yeah.
you stayed there since Saturday?
Uh, yeah. A Thursday.
Ah, so you stayed
A,
Thursday.
a
You
Tuesday.
just
A
one day?
Tuesday. Yes, just one day.
Ah, just one day. Ah, okay. Did you eat dinner with your grandma?
Yes.
Ah, did you like it?
Yes.
Ah, okay. That's cool to know. What
Yes.
else did you do on Tuesday?
Yes.
What else did you do on
Uh,
Tuesday?
uh, uh, oh, no. I ate dinner and went to the cafe.
Ah, okay. What time did you get back home?
Um, 12 a.m.
12 a.m.? Really?
Yes,
Who was with you?
my mother.
Ah, your mother. Ah,
Yes,
okay, that's
and
good.
my sister.
And your sister too.
Yes,
Ah, okay. So, but next week you're going to have your school again, right?
yes, right.
Yeah, when are you going back to school?
Um, 18, 18.
Ah, 18. Oh,
Yes,
that will be next Tuesday, this Tuesday.
yes.
Are you excited?
No,
No? Why not?
I, I, um, I don't like school.
You don't like school. You don't want to meet your friends?
Um, uh, I want to meet my friends, but I don't like I don't want to study.
You don't want to study? Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Can you tell me what was your favorite part of your summer vacation, Minsul?
mm, ah ah I traveled traveled Sokcho. Do
Ah,
you know
okay.
Sokcho?
No, I don't know Sukchu. But,
Oh yeah, but I with my family trip.
uh-huh,
It's my family trip.
uh-huh.
I I was excited.
Well, was it last weekend you went to Sukchu? Or last,
Yes, last weekend.
okay. How many days did you stay in Sukchu?
3 days.
3 days.
Yes.
What did you do there?
I
Uh-huh.
swim, and I delicious food. I ate delicious food,
Uh-huh.
and and uh,
Did you
uh,
take a lot of pictures?
oh yes.
Yeah. Can you show me the picture in Sukchu?
uh, uh, yes.
Okay, I want to see it. Is it a beach or a resort?
Yeah, beach.
A beach. Oh, okay. So did you swim in the pool or in the beach?
Beach. I swim the beach.
Hmm. Can I see it? How it looks like?
Good.
Yeah, can you show me the picture of Sukchu? Your
Okay. Okay.
favorite picture.
Um. Ah. Uh, I saw. Uh, Sukcho is famous beach.
Uh-huh.
So I saw sunrise.
You watch the sunrise?
Yes.
Oh, ooh, that's so good. Ooh, what's that? Like, is it an island?
No, beach.
Ah, okay, that's a beach. Okay, that's
Yeah.
so cool. What else? What's your favorite picture? Is that your favorite picture?
Mm, um, no, is my favorite picture.
Oh, what's that? Is it a sand? A sand
Yes,
castle?
yes, Sand Castle.
Ah, so you stayed in a hotel in the beach resort?
Yes,
Ah, how's the food? Was the food good?
good,
Yeah.
delicious.
What's your favorite food that you eat in Sokcho?
Um,
The best food.
uh, wait, please.
Okay, sure.
Low fish.
What's that?
Um, uh, uh,
Ah, the raw fish?
yes.
Yeah, what kind of raw fish? Like you put in the vinegar? Sashimi?
Uh, no. Wait, please.
Okay.
Shrimp. Shrimp.
Ah, is it like raw shrimp?
Yes.
Ooh, really? How did you eat the shrimp? Like, is it very alive or it's not cooked? What kind of shrimp?
Ah, sushi.
Ah, like sashimi.
Oh, yes, sashimi. Yeah.
Ah, okay. So it's like a sashimi.
Okay, sashimi.
Ah, did you eat a lot there?
Yes, very, very a lot.
Ah, okay. What else did you do there? Like for 3 days? What was the best part of your family trip?
uh,
Oh, you went to the city too?
yes.
What is that? What kind of statue is that?
Um, but I forgot
Ah,
this.
you forgot. Ah,
Yes,
wait, I'm confused. Is Sokcho near in Korea, North Korea, or no?
yes, North Korea.
It's
South
near.
Korea.
No, no.
No,
Is it near in?
no.
It's far.
Yes.
Ah, okay. So Sokcho is a little. How about is it far in Pohang or Busan or no? Sokcho.
Um, fur.
It's very far.
Yes.
Also, it's like so this is the Korean map, right? So Sokcho is like here, and the Pohang and Busan is here. Is it right or no?
Yes. Right.
Ah, so
But
Pohang.
sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
I
Go.
I don't I don't know Puang well.
What Busan?
Busan, yes.
Uh-huh.
Sukcho and Busan.
So a little bit. So it's very far.
Yes.
So Sokcho is in the other side,
Yes.
and Busan is in also in the other side of the country.
Yes.
Okay. So how did you go to Sokcho? Did you take a train, a bus?
By a car.
By car. You go there by car.
Yes.
Why did you go to Sokcho with your family? Why did you
Uh,
choose to Sokcho?
Because my father works in Sokcho,
Ah, okay. And then?
and then Sokcho. I want to go beach,
Uh-huh.
so I went to the Sokcho.
Ah, okay. So wait, what is your dad's job in Sokcho?
Um, company.
Ah, like office worker?
Yes,
Ah, okay. So your dad works in Sokcho.
yes,
Ah, okay, that's good to know. So I think you're very, very excited going to Sokcho.
yes. I like Sokcho.
Are there a lot of people in Sokcho?
Yes, very, very a lot Sokcho. Sokcho is tourist.
What? Ah, a tourist spot?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So that means there are a lot of foreigners too.
yes.
Is when you go to Sokcho, is it cheap or very expensive?
Mm, a little expensive.
Ah, which one is expensive? Busan or Sokcho?
Uh, um, um, similar,
Similar. But
similar.
but what about
Yeah.
if I go to Puhang? You know what? I want to go to Puhang. Is Puhang cheap or expensive?
As teacher, I my grandmother house is Huangno,
Ah,
Ponghwa,
Puha?
Ponghwa.
Pongha.
Yes.
Ah, I thought it's Puhang. Because
Um,
I want to go to Pohang. Because yeah. But have you tried? Have you been to Pohang before?
no, so far.
It is very far.
Yes.
Ah, really? Pohang is very far. So that means Pohang is like a cheap place.
I don't know Pohang.
You don't know Pohang
But
well.
yes, maybe it's cheap.
Ah, I think Pohang is like a small town.
Oh, yes.
I see. What about Sokcho? Is it a small or big town?
A small town.
It's a small town too, but there are a lot of people.
Yes.
Mm. How about, have you been to Jeju Island?
Oh, yes. I went to the Jeju Island.
You went to Jeju Island before?
Yes.
Which one is your favorite? Jeju or Sokcho?
I Jeju.
Jeju. Okay, why it's
Yeah,
Jeju?
because I go to the Jeju
Mm-hmm.
by by plane.
Okay. So you cannot go to Jeju on a by boat?
Mm, no. Uh,
Oh, really? By boat? You
yes.
can't go there?
No. By plane.
So you have to go there by plane.
Yes.
What's the best part in Jeju Island?
Mm, do, do you know Tur Harabang?
Oh, it's like the famous fruit, halabang.
Yeah. Yes.
Uh-huh, yeah. I've heard it a lot.
Yes. I like it.
But you can't buy that in your country? I mean in the grocery store? Halabang? You
Yes.
cannot buy that?
Yes. In
Ah,
Jeju Island.
but you can buy it in your country, like in your town, or only in Jeju Island you can buy it.
Oh, yes.
Only in Jeju Island?
Yes. Only Jeju Island.
Okay. So you cannot buy halabang in any store.
No, yes.
I see. Okay. So I think that's good. So what else? Is it that all your favorite you part of your summer vacation?
Uh, uh,
Is it that
uh,
all your favorite spot?
yes.
What about this weekend? What's your plan?
This weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, I just stay home because I I don't have money.
Oh. That's very sad. So you will stay home because you don't have money, huh?
Yes.
Ah, you don't want to meet your friends.
Yes.
Ah, okay, I understand that. So what are you going to do on your weekend? Are you going to watch movies or do your
Um,
homework?
um, maybe my
You go to your
and aunt.
aunt? You're going to your aunt?
Yes.
Is it your mom's sister or your dad's sister?
Mom's sister.
Ah, so you're going to your aunt's house.
Ah, no. Aunt want to come my home.
Ah, my aunt will come over.
Ah,
Can you
I
say?
my my aunt
Will come over to my house.
will come over my house.
I see. So your aunt will come over to your house this weekend.
Yes.
Ah, okay, that's good to know. So yeah. But this weekend maybe I will just I am watching a Korean drama now.
Oh,
Agent Kim
Angels.
reactive Agent Kim reactivated. The one that um his father was a North Korean.
Oh,
잠깐만.
hi.
This one.
Oh,
You don't know this one?
yes, I know. It
Oh,
is funny.
oh,
Funny.
oh yeah. I am watching it since last night. So maybe this weekend I will watch that more.
Wow, good, good.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, I had a good time talking with you, Mincho. Thank you for sharing with me.
Okay, thank
Uh,
you,
yeah,
Bichu.
but our lesson is over, so we will see next Tuesday, okay?
Okay,
Okay, have a good night, Mincho. Bye-bye.
bye bye. Good
Bye.
night.
Good night.